Hi, Audrey here. I stepped away from electronics for a bit. As you can see, I have a different kind of project. And now that's not my workshop, it's a living room. I've decided to do some refurbishment and it's a bit more than I expected. I had to rip all the screed off the floor and plaster is in pretty bad shape. So cracks all over the place and it's a lot of work. So my next few weeks will probably be scrubbing all this plaster and putting new plaster boards. I think dot and dot plaster boards will work best. And yeah, new floor, ceiling, just reskimming really. I think plasterboard is still okay. And wish me luck. Right, getting there. There's still much work to be done, but all walls are now nicely scrubbed off and cleaned. And the floor is nice and clean, ready for underfloor heating. And alright, so today I just need to cap off these radiator pipes because we don't need the radiators downstairs now with underfloor heating. But I need to make sure its pipes are not laying around. The wall is knocked down, so this on the other side of this sheet is a kitchen, and this is gonna be open plan now. And yeah, little dining area, all nice and scrubbed up. Lots of effort, but I think it's worth it. Yeah, still some work to do.